Hello students, our topic is malaria. So, the first most important thing is, what is the causative agent of this disease? Plasmodium is the causative agent of this disease. Malaria is a very significant disease of humankind. Approximately in all over the globe, nearly 1 million people die because of this disease. And this is caused by various species of Plasmodium like Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale and Plasmodium malariae. These are the four important types of Plasmodium species which cause malaria, and it is nearly spread all over the globe. So you can find the instance or the cases of malaria across the globe. Now the Plasmodium species as such, it is a unicellular organism which belongs to phylum Protozoa. Now, organisms lying in this phylum Protozoa are unicellular organisms. So similarly, the Plasmodium is also a unicellular organism. Now this unicellular organisms require two types of host for its survival. That means its life cycle is digenetic. So in this, one host is your mosquito and another one is humans. Now there are two things with respect to host. One is the mosquito is a sort of intermediate host. That means, or it can also be said as a vector. Means it is required for its survival, while the human are a secondary host, or it can be said as primary host. Now this is very important because the human host is very necessary for completing its life cycle. So the life cycle is digenetic life cycle. Now in mosquito, it's mostly the female Anopheles mosquito which is actually responsible for spreading this disease. Now what is the reason why female Anopheles mosquito is only the causative agent? It is because the mouth part of female Anopheles mosquito is suitable for piercing the body or piercing the skin of humans. So that is why it is the female Anopheles mosquito which is said to be responsible for spreading this disease in humans. Now what is occurring in these two hosts? The most important thing which is occurring in the life cycle of this Plasmodium vivax or Plasmodium species is the mosquito is responsible for the sexual stage or sexual reproduction of Plasmodium, that is the gametogeny. As well as sporogony. Now what is this gametogony and sporogony? So the gametogony is the process in which the gametes, the male and female gametes, which are microgametes and megagamete, or we can call microgametocyte or megagametocyte. Those gametes get fused and form a zygote, and this zygote is known as ocanites. So these ocanites get developed inside the gut cavity of the mosquito, that is its stomach, and after its development it gets embedded into the stomach cells, and there it causes development by mitotic division. Mitotic division or mitosis division, by which it increases its in number and it forms multinucleated sporozoites. Those multinucleated sporozoites will migrate into the salivary glands of mosquito, and then when this mosquito, infected mosquito, bites any normal human being, it will transmit the sporozoites into the blood of that human, and inside the human there occurs the most important stage is schizogony, and the schizogony is actually responsible for spreading the plasmodium plasmodium organism into the human blood, and this is actually responsible for causing the malaria. Now in humans it is generally impacting two cells. One is liver cells and another one is RBCs. So after infecting the liver cells, it migrates to RBC, and there it causes various changes in the morphology and develops into merozoites, which are known as infective stage of the plasmodium, and this, after increasing in tremendous numbers, causes malaria in humans. Thank you.